Beauty Care, Nail Care Services, Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8. Nail Care Services, Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8. Lesson 2. Our topic is Maintain Nail Care Tools and Equipment. Perform basic preventive and corrective maintenance. How can the tools and equipment be kept safe, clean, and functional? It is vital to sterilize metal implements, sanitize wooden tools, disinfect hand and foot spa machine, as well as environmental surfaces before and after each use. Contaminated tools can cause bacterial and fungal infection that are unsightly, painful, and sometimes fatal. There are several methods of cleaning and sterilization. Do a cursory cleaning after each nail care service and deep cleaning monthly to keep tools safe and useful all the time. The following are the several methods of cleaning and sterilization. First, sterilize metal implements after each use in a hospital-grade disinfectant that is bactericidal, virucidal, and fungicidal. This disinfectant can be found in a beauty supply stores. Immerse the tools in a disinfectant for 10 minutes. Second, disinfect foot basin after each use with a bleach solution. Make a 1 to 10 solution by mixing 1 part bleach with 10 parts water. Using gloves, rinse the basin with the solution to disinfect. If necessary, scrub with a detergent to remove any dirt or debris. Third, use a boiling method of sterilization once a month to disinfect all metal implements. Designate 1 pot per sterilization to prevent cross-contamination with food. Submerge the tools in boiling water for 10 minutes. Drain the tools and allow them to dry. Fourth, store sterilized metal implements in an airtight, zipper-sealed bag to keep them from being exposed to dirt and bacteria. Be sure tools are completely dry before storing them. If waiting more than a couple of weeks before the next nail care service, sterilize the tools again before use. Fifth, inspect tools and equipment regularly to identify defective ones for repair, replacement, or condemnation. Keeping the workplace clean and safe. First, all beauty salon must be well lighted and well ventilated and must be in a good sanitary condition. Second, the salon premises must be free from rodents, vermin, flies, or other similar insects. Third, all salon establishments must be provided with continuous running hot and cold water. Fourth, the curtains and floor coverings in the salon must be washable and kept clean. Fifth, all hair, used cotton, or other waste materials must be removed from the floor immediately and deposited in a closed container. Get rid of them from the salon premises at frequent intervals. 6. The restrooms must be well sanitized and be provided with individual towels. Number 7. Each beautician must wear a washable uniform while working on clients. Number 8. Each client must be provided with a freshly laundered towel. Number 9. All waste materials should be disposed in an enclosed waste bin fitted with polythene bin liner, durable enough to resist tearing. Store nail care tools and equipment. At the end of every working session, make an inventory of the things that should be done. A. Tools which are made of plastic should be kept clean and sanitized properly in the preparation for the next client. B. Empty bottles and containers are discarded in a covered trash bin. C. Used treatment products and other chemicals are stored, arranged, and properly labeled in the cabinet. Finger volts must be sanitized before another client used them. E. The hand and foot spa machine must be kept dry after disinfecting. F. Tabletops and door handles are wiped with disinfectant, and the floor should be mopped with disinfectant as well. G. Metal tools and instruments must be sterilized following proper sterilization techniques. After the process, store in a dry cabinet until needed. Tools are implements which are made of porous materials such as nail files, buffers, nail brushes, and orange wood sticks can harbor bacteria easily. Since they are wood products which cannot be sterilized, these tools should be not reused. Waste materials should be disposed properly in an enclosed waste bin fitted with polythene bag. The bin should be sanitized with disinfectant regularly in a well-ventilated area. Remember to wear protective gloves while doing this. Any tool or equipment in poor condition must be repaired immediately, replaced, or disposed of properly so as not to pose danger not only to the clients but also to the beauticians. Storage. A manicurist must ensure that the storage of nail care tools, materials, and equipment within the establishment meets the following requirements. First, flammable and combustible chemicals are stored away from potential sources of ignition, such as an open flame or an electric device. Second, all nail care chemicals are stored in closed bottles or containers. 3. Storage units. A. Cabinets, drawers, containers used for storage of implements and towels are clean. B. Clean linen is stored in an enclosed, dust-proof cabinet or container. C. Implements which have been used on a client are not placed in a container with clean implements. Number 4. Supplies. Unused supplies except product application, brushes, are stored in a clean, closed container or drawer. Used or soiled disposable supplies are discarded immediately in a clean, closed waste receptacle. Number 5. Implement storage. Implements that had been used on a client or soiled in any manner are placed in a properly labeled covered receptacle until disinfected. Sanitized implements are stored in a clean, closed container or drawer until used. Number 6. Towels. Cloth towels are deposited in a closed receptacle after use. Used or soiled cloth towels are not used again until properly laundered and sanitized. Disposable towels are discarded in a covered waste bin receptacle immediately after each nail technology service. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.